if you have watched my cooking shows and my other book show on the haunted house, today I'm going to be reading The Pigeon Wants a Puppy. So if you love the book or you want any comments, click down below and write me some comments. Bye! Hi. The Pigeon Wants a Puppy. The pigeon wants a puppy. Hello. Oh, hello. How are you? There you go. I'm fine. Thanks for asking. By the way, do you know what I want? What I want forever. Least since last Tuesday. A puppy. Oh, don't worry. I'll take care of it. I promise I'll water it once a month. He's talking about a flower, not a dog. What? Everybody knows what puppies need. Plenty of sunlight and water. He's still talking about a plant. I get it. Oh, you don't want me to be happy, do you? He's crazy. You don't want me to take a piggyback ride on my puppy or play times with it? You just don't understand. And I'm a puppy-loving pigeon. Oh, puppy. He loves puppies, but he thinks it's a plant. I want a puppy. Wait, hold up. I want a puppy right here, right now. He's crazy. Arf. What's that? Is it possible how my dream came true? Oh no, that hurt my throat. It's huge. The teeth, the hair, the wet nose, the slobber, the claws. I mentioned the teeth, right? Really? I had no idea. I've changed my mind. I want a walrus. He's gonna die. The end. Hi, Kindle. If you're watching this, viewers, just I said this at the beginning. Click down below and leave me a comment if you want to read any more of the Pigeon books, or Bad Boys, or any Froggy books, or this one, or any of Halloween books. Just click down below and tell me what you want to read.